Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Subarachnoid cisterns. So subarachnoid, it includes, first one is the interpeduncular and the basal cistern. So this includes the location as the base of the brain and the interpeduncular fossa. So it is in the interpeduncular fossa. Next is the cistern of the content. What is the content of this interpeduncular? The content is, it includes the circle of Willis. Circle of Willis, that is the origins of the anterior inferior cerebellar and the superior cerebellar arteries. Next is also the abducens nerves. Next is the cisterna magnus. The cisterna magnus is nothing but the cerebromedullary cistern. It is a larger cistern, and the location is the angle between the inferior surface of the cerebellum and the medulla. Inferior surface of what? The cerebellum and the medulla. Next is the continuous with the IV ventricle through the foramen of foramen of the Magendel. So foramen of the Magendel. Then comes, what are the contents? Contents is the vertebral arteries and origin of the pica. And the cranial nerves, it includes the 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then we move on to the quadrigemina. The quadrigeminal is a cistern. The cistern, superior cistern, vein of Galen, and also the peripineal cistern. So this includes the between the splenium of the corpus callosum and the superior cerebellar surface. So between the splenium of the corpus callosum, the splenium of the CC corpus callosum and the superior cerebellar surface. Then comes, it is present behind the midbrain. So there is between the splenium and the corpus callosum and the superior cerebellar surface. The splenium of the CC, that is the corpus callosum, and the superior cerebellar surface. And this is behind the midbrain. So how is it related to the midbrain? It is behind the midbrain. Next is the cerebellum. What does it contain? So it was all the midbrain, and the content is the great cerebral vein of Galen. So this is present in the quadrigeminal cistern or the superior cistern or the vein of Galen cistern. Next, moving on to the cerebellopontine. So in case of cerebellopontine cistern, is the lateral angle between the cerebellum and the pons. Cerebellum and the pons. And next is, what are the contents? It includes the 5, it includes the 7, it includes the 8 cranial nerves, and the anterior inferior cerebellar arteries, ICA, and also the superior petrosal vein. Petrosal veins. Next, looking at the pontine cistern. The pontine cistern, it includes the ventral surface of the pons, and the content is, it includes the basilar artery. Next is the sylvian of the lateral cistern. The lateral sulcus cistern. So this includes, it is present over the lateral surface, over the lateral sulcus, and the content is the middle cerebellar artery, MCA, and the veins as well. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.